mo?
Time to go for the laundry.
Yes.
Follow me.
Ala. Labandero. Bilisan mo kasi 1 minute muna mo.
Ingat sa tuhod mo.
Yes, I know. I hit my tuhod there already. Ayan.
It's here.
Okay. Okay, wash the laundry na.
So, we do the blacks first.
Just put all together na. Ulitin mo.
Persil au savon de
Oh,
Marseille.
dali na.
I don't know how much to put.
Not too much because you have small amount only.
Quotidien is,
Ano muna?
is daily. Daily. So we do daily. 1 hour.
So, Christoph will pick up us in 30 minutes and then...
But it's okay, 1 hour. We have time to do the groceries and
Ni Inday, magtutupi na lang. Alalala. Teka lang. Ihulog. Magtutupi na si Inday. Yan.
this one is hard to get in.
Yeah, that's why supposed to be not in there. You have to put it
No,
down there
because this one is
also.
fat. This one is thinner. It's not the same
Ay,
size.
nako. Ito nga. Dahil wala sa Pilipinas ng dishwashing machine, nag-aaway kami dalawa dito. Pa kung paano hugasan ng mga hugasan dito ngayon.
This is
Eh,
fine.
taga-bundok rin itong kasama ko eh. Hindi alam kung paano ano.
Taga-bundok.
Alam mo, you have to put it there. No, you're gonna, look.
It works. It's made for it.
Ang ina naman to, bahala ka nga dyan.
It's made for it. Give me more glasses. Give me more. Give me more. You're not,
Ayan, yan,
you're
that's
not
that's the
helping
one.
at all.
I'm just
Totally
watching.
useless.
Nakainom na nga, maghugas pa ng pinggan. Sa
Give me.
dishwashing machine pa.
Okay.
Bobla ka
This
mga
one.
puta.
This.
Yeah, you put like
Believe
that.
it or not, I've done this before.
Okay, fine. Bahala ka. Bukas usak lahat yan.
No, it doesn't break like